Afternoon, it's Natasha, your makeup artist and independent consultant for Arbonne Canada in Toronto. I got my Genius finally. I can't wait to get it on my skin. I'm going to start tonight and I'm going to do before and after pictures. So I'm going to start with the before tonight and then maybe in 2 weeks I'm going to do it after, and then after that and continue on and see the progress in my skin. I have a lot of sun damage. So I'm going to talk to you about an event I'm having November 17th at the Warden Hilltop Community Center. My National Vice President Natasha Hall is going to be there. She's going to speak, and my District Manager Linda is going to be there also speaking. It's a Discover Arbonne event. Anyone's invited to come. It's at 3 p.m. again at Warden Hilltop Community Center, which is at Warden St. Clair. My number is 647-287-1309. You can give me a call and ask me questions about any product line. Genius, like really genius. I've seen before and after pictures. It really works. And yeah, hope to see everyone out at my event. Have a good day.